How to turn off read receipts in Messenger. Don't want people to know when you have read their messages on Messenger. While there is no direct setting to disable the read receipts completely, there are a few smart tricks and I will today show you. The first method is open Messenger. The thing you can do is turn on the airplane mode, turn it on. Then once you turn it on, read the messages while offline. Read the message you haven't seen yet, like this. Now close the Messenger app completely before turning the airplane mode off. In this way, it might help. Now the next thing you can do is enable the message previews in your phone settings or Messenger notifications. That is, just turn on the notification on your device, go to settings and tap on this notifications and sound and turn it on so that you can read the notifications and not open the chats. And that's it. That's how you can read the Messenger messages without showing the seen status. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.